Why and how daily affirmations can transfer your life into a positive direction, and why you should use daily affirmations every single day of your life. Hello, my powerful creators. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Candice, and I'm so thankful you're here with me today. You are here for a reason and a purpose, and it's so incredible at this divine timing. You are stumbling across and watching my video. I feel so special when I think about that. I'm so grateful you're here with me today. In today's video, we are talking about daily affirmations and why you should use them in your daily practice, maybe in your morning routine and in your night routine, or any type of routine you have for your day. Throw in some daily affirmations and your life will be transferred into a positive way. Make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to give you the exact ways to make your daily affirmations work for you and work for in your life. And I also have success stories of people who have used daily affirmations and seen their life transform in incredible ways. And one more thing before we get started, a lot of you have complimented me on my outfits and my jewelry, and that means so much to me. And a lot of you have asked, where have I gotten my outfits? Where am I getting my jewelry? If you go to my description, you will see links to my outfits and my jewelry and all that jazz. So always check in my description for links like that. Okay, if you are ready to learn all about daily affirmations and how they can uplift your life and uplift other people in your life, go ahead and hit that like button so I know you're ready to get started. And if you want to be a part of this powerful creators community, I love everybody in this community and everybody who is on their way to this community, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Okay, let's get started. Having a daily affirmations practice will open yourself up to receive everything you ever wanted, desired, and deserved. And affirmations bring your manifestations into your reality, into your world, giving you a more happy and fulfilled life. What you choose to affirm in your life is so important. That's why having positive daily affirmations are crucial to your personal growth. Affirmations are used by millions of people all over the world, including celebrities, athletes, and political figures. Okay, I want you to do something right now. Think of the person that you admire the most, or people that you admire the most. There is a high chance that they use positive daily affirmations in their life. When we look at the people that we admire, we look at their life and we see the positive directions they've gone, the choices they've made. Those are all because they affirmed positivity in their life. And that's what daily affirmations is all about. Affirmations are statements that speak into existence a completed goal or desire. Here are some examples. I am capable of making positive changes in my life. I have the power to complete all my goals. I am kind and respectful to others. Affirmations are the most powerful when they are very detailed and specific. You could have an affirmation that says, I am now so happy and grateful that I have 200,000 followers on Instagram, because it's leveled me up to reach more people about affirmations and positivity. That's something I would use. But you could use it for anything. You could say, I am now so happy and grateful that I have run the marathon. I am now so happy and grateful that I graduated college. I am now so happy and grateful that I completed that goal for myself. And when I say that, put some specific words in there that resonate with you. So in those affirmations, you can see how we are affirming a completed goal as if it already happened and they're already done. When you are doing daily affirmations, you are reprogramming your subconscious mind and you are eliminating negative beliefs and limiting beliefs as well. And with affirmations, you are building a belief that gives you confidence that anything is possible. With affirmations, you are changing your story. You're getting rid of the fears and doubts, and you are building unwavering knowing and certainty. Affirmations can put you in a high vibration, and affirmations can also put you in a low vibration. Here are some examples of low vibration affirmations. I'm not a good cook. It's hard for me to make friends. I'm always tripping over something. I never complete anything I start. Those are all negative affirmations that bring low vibration. It is so crucial to have positive affirmations in your daily life. If you didn't know already, on my Instagram, I give out daily affirmations, encouraging you every single day. I believe that affirmations are so crucial in my life. They build me up in a positive way. When I start my day with an affirmation, I know that I am able and capable of doing great things in my life. I have learned that affirmations are a crucial part of my life because when I'm not doing affirmations, I tend to stir in a negative direction. But because I built this habit with daily affirmations, I know that my day can be grounded, it can be strengthened, it can be pushed in a new direction that is positive and directing myself to my ultimate goals. So daily affirmations are absolutely important in your life. If you want to see your life transform in amazing ways, you have to affirm positive things in your life. And you have to do this for you. You can't wait for someone else to affirm in your life. You can't wait for someone else to give you a compliment. You got to give yourself that push to do good things. And that's what affirmations do. They push you, they encourage you, they hold you up, they affirm in your life something good. So that's why I do daily affirmations, and that's why I share them, because I want everyone to get this, that daily affirmations are a powerful tool in manifesting anything you desire, anything you want, anything you deserve. Do it with affirmations. One of my dear friends lives in Florida, and she is so positive. She's so amazing. She's striving for greatness in her life. And when I first met her, it was about 5 or 6 years ago. We were both nannies, and I remember the first time I hung out with her, she asked me if I had ever heard of the law of attraction and The Secret, and I said yes. I had just heard about it maybe a year or two before that, and we bonded over that. We would make vision boards together. We would write in our prayer journals. We would write everything we desired. And I actually looked at my list from that day we wrote that, and a lot of it came true. When I'm with her, we are so powerful and strong. And it is truly incredible to see her life change in dramatic ways. So recently, she was actually in Los Angeles visiting. And my friend, her name is Ariella. How beautiful of a name. And anyway, she was here in LA visiting, and we had breakfast one morning. And she told me how she is still striving and doing her work as a realtor in Florida. Now, Ariella is such a hard worker, and I could see in her eyes that she desired more for her career. She wanted to sell more homes. She wanted to be more successful in her field. And I told her that maybe we should just start creating affirmations for her and start building her subconscious so that she can be better equipped in her mind to be successful as a realtor. So we created these affirmations. We said, I am a great realtor. People come to me all the time wanting me to sell their home. People buy homes from me quickly. I enjoy selling homes. Selling homes comes easy to me. We started creating these affirmations for her. And it's so awesome. I'm going to post the text message I got just last week from her, saying how the affirmations have worked in her life, how that she was able to sell a home in a pandemic. We're going through a pandemic right now, and she is still doing successful work in her field. How powerful is that? Affirmations do work. They work in your life. When you start to say things every single day that affirm positivity in your life, there's no way around that but positive changes in your life. And I love to hear Ariella say that she is doing the work even through this time of life. She's still successful. She's affirming that in her life, and that's awesome. I also have a story from my mom, and she has her own organization. Now, this organization requires her to raise money, and she decided that she wanted to raise $100,000 and get to a point where she had that at a certain time. And my mom texted me just the other day because she had told me that she does positive affirmations every day, and she affirms those positive things in her life. And she said, money comes to me easily. People send me money all the time. People want to support my organization, and they love supporting my organization. And she texted me last week and she said, you won't believe it, Candice. I raised $700,000 for my organization. $700,000. With affirmations, we are equipping our minds to believe anything is possible in our life. So ask yourself, what do I desire in this world? Well, I have to affirm that in my life. And I encourage you to do your affirmations in the morning and do them right before bed. And write down your affirmations and put them in a place in your home, your office, wherever you're going to see them at all times and occasionally throughout your day. When you pass by the page with your affirmations, you already subconsciously know, without even reading them, you know what they say. And they give you this happiness and excitement because you know that your affirmations are about to become your reality. So here are some steps to create your affirmations. You want to have your affirmations start with I am. I am strong. I am independent. I am kind. I am loved by many people. I am. And then you're going to want to have your affirmation be present tense. Do not say the past. I used to be happy. I used to be this. Or say, I will be happy when. No, no, no. You can't say, I will be happy when I get this or when this happens to me. No. You want to say, I am happy now that. I am strong. I am capable of making positive changes in my life. And always have your affirmation positive. Do not say, I am weak. I am not capable. I am so tired. Don't say those things. Say it in a positive way. Say if you're new to this, you're new to affirmations, make sure your affirmations are short. I like to make mine super long now because I've been doing it for so long, affirmations. But when you are starting in the affirmation world, make them short. Just make them short and easy for yourself so that you can remember them throughout your day. Even when you're not looking at your list, you have them in the back of your mind. You completely know them by heart because they're so short and they are rememberable. Make sure your affirmations are specific to your desires, specific to what you want in your life. Be specific with it. You say, I am so happy now that I am able to afford my new dream car, my BMW X5. It is black with white interior, and I just drive it up the coast of California every single Saturday because it's so much fun. But make sure you're being detailed in your affirmation so that the law of attraction knows exactly what you want. Don't just say, I want a new car. I have a new car. You're gonna get any kind of new car. You're gonna get any kind of new car with the law of attraction, but be specific. I want this. I want this car, or I want this house. I want this position at my work field, at my work office. I want this position. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a lawyer. things like that. Okay, well, I gotta have those specific things in my affirmations. And the key to all of this is your feelings. How do you feel when you are saying your affirmations? Are you already having doubt when you're saying your affirmation? Ask yourself right now, how would it feel to have your desire, whatever your desire is? Say it. How would it feel if I had this and that? If I got everything I wanted, I would feel really good. So I'm gonna have that feeling right now and get it happy, get excited while I'm saying my affirmation. So make sure you have that feeling. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you're super encouraged about having daily affirmations and having this daily affirmations practice in your life. It is so amazing when we affirm positivity in our life. We see amazing changes, and I desire that for you. Share this to someone who you know needs daily affirmations in their life and they're kind of confused as how it works or what to do and what to say. Send them this link, because you're going to make their day. You're going to affirm something positive in their life. If you are interested in being a part of the powerful creators community, hit that subscribe button and that bell button so you are notified every single time I upload a new video. I love you all so much, and thank you for being a part of this community. Again, if you are interested in daily affirmations, I post daily affirmations on my Instagram at Candice Nikeia. I love you guys. This is so much fun, just talking and being me. And thank you for giving me the opportunity. I love you all, and I hope you have a beautiful day.